Hello gardening friends, today I've got a quick update on our winter sown seeds. As you can see, I've opened some of them already to let them get some more light. And let's see, that's green leaf lettuce. The ones I opened were the cold weather crops more. Here is mountain merit. That's a tomato that's already starting to sprout. Here's another cold weather Cabrice broccoli. Here's BK Jimmy Nardella. Oh, they are sprout. There is some sprouts there. This is Gaussnet lettuce. Oh, it's a lettuce mix. That looks good, doesn't it? Looks good enough to eat right now. See if there's any Rutgers tomatoes coming up yet. Or some of those little green spots or peppers coming up already. Yeah, they are. Okay, here's Johnny's super sweet cherry tomato. There's some coming up there. Saw some, oh yeah, look at that in the left corner there. This is awesome red onions from Johnny. I put a whole pack of onions in there and they are sprouting, doing great. Here's Cracker Jack marigold. They look like they got a little frost. They were on the edge of the herd here, so they might have got a little frost the other night. So some of them look like they might have died, but the rest of them will probably bounce back. Here's some Brussels sprouts. I had that one open already to get some sun. Pepperoncinis. Any pepperoncinis in there? Yep. There's one over on the left side there. They're starting to sprout. Classic beefsteak from Baker Creek. They're starting to come up. There's another one for Johnny's. This is a yellow onion. They're doing great. Here is Ethiopian kale. They're growing nice and big. That's a spinach. Here's jalapenos that I planted from ones that I grew last year. See, they're starting to sprout. Everglades tomato. They're starting to sprout. Got those from Dan down in Florida. Subarctic plenty. I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard to see. I'm not sure if any of those are sprouted. I think they might be sprouting. Here's a phlox that my grandson planted. Not seeing any sprouting there, although they might be. This is banana peppers. Wow, there's a lot of banana peppers coming up in there. Here's a prairie fire tomato. I think I see some little sprouts coming up there. Here's the Tam jalapeno. Not sure if they're coming up. I don't think they are. Here's a kale. I just planted these the other day, actually. It's a Bactinado dinosaur kale. So they're coming up. And here's alpine strawberries. Planted from seed, which I've never done that before. And they might take a while to sprout. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have any of your winter sown seeds sprouting yet. Or if you don't know what winter sowing is, I'll put a link up here to one of my videos that I did on how to start tomatoes, which is basically how you start anything for winter sowing. The goal of my channel is to give you information you need to help you become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. Like I said, I'll put that video up there of the video on winter sowing. And over here, I'll put one that Google says you will like. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. See you again real soon.